morning, everyone. As we promised, we are here with our personality development course. Our first session will be of communication skills. Now, when I talk about communication skills, what comes to your mind? बात करना, अपना मैसेज किसी को डिलीवर करना, किसी तक अपनी बात को पहुंचाना, जो कि सही भी है। बट पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का मतलब सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं होता। इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अपनी बात को किसी और तक पहुंचाना और उसे उस बात को सोचने पर मजबूर भी कर देना। Because if you deliver your message and the information is not processed after receiving, there's no point of being delivered. Right? See, it is one of the most crucial pillars because if you do not know how to communicate, how to portray your thoughts, you will not be able to fit in the circle. Correct? Let us take one more example. What if you have a great idea and you don't know how to deliver that? How you can have everybody on board? How you can convince everybody for that idea? Right? But if you know that skill, that how you can have a great idea and get everybody listen to it, you will be feeling proud. Correct? So this is what communication skill is. So now we'll move forward with the multiple types of communication. The first one, verbal communication. Now with the word verbal, you know that you will have to speak. Yes, you will have to. But how can you know that you are speaking correct? By understanding your tone, by verifying your pitch, maybe your vocabulary, right? And this is where you realize that how you're communicating. When you know how to differ your tone according to the setup, you will be able to fit in better, right? Adding in non-verbal communication. Now, you must be wondering, ma'am, how can non-verbal communication be a communication? Have you ever observed somebody's expression? Maybe communicated something through eye contacts. This is non-verbal communication, where your body language speaks louder than your words. Yes, you leave an expression without even uttering a word. And that is also a form of communication which we know as non-verbal communication. Last but not the least, written communication. Yes, you not only communicate through your words or your body language but through your write-ups. For example, you put up somewhere farther from the person you want to communicate with. How will we be communicating? Maybe through a phone call? But what if that person can't reach you or connect with you on phone? You might send a text, a mail, a letter, but if you're not aware what structure it follows, what grammar it will have, and what punctuation will it be having, you will not be able to deliver the message correctly. So, written communication is as important as the other communications. Wrapping up, we have understood that through communication, we can deliver our message, we can pitch in any idea, or we can fit in any circle, right? So when you know how you're delivering your message, you will be able to express more clearly and concisely. Having a good communication is not just great for your personality, but also shows your efficiency towards work. Because as a wise person said, mastering communication is not just the words we speak, it's about the impact we leave. You don't want to become a noise, but always a voice. Because a voice is heard and a noise is asked to be shut. This was your session for communication skills. If you want to work on communication skills, you can work on verbal, non-verbal and written communication. Because these three build your communication for the better. For more sessions, we will be adding in videos every single week. So stay tuned with Vani Lingua. Thank you.